Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I will make jhol momo and it's raining outside and it is the best time to make this. So let's get started. I have to just roughly chop all the veggies. Now we will put the onion, garlic, chili and ginger, tomato as well, some salt, swad anusar, turmeric, and then I will put some cashew nuts. Purchase this from a shop because I don't have patience to make this. It takes a lot of time to make, so dono banana it's impossible for me. Now I will put white sesame seeds, and this is the main ingredient, coriander. तो बहुत सारा डालना होगा. I can't control myself. Let's have it. Now it's time for tasting. Guys, please try this. It's awesome. If it's raining outside in your place as well, so just make this